Buongiorno a tutti. Oggi io preparare stuffed shells. Welcome to my cucina, Rosaria cucina. I'm going to explain how to make them. I'll list the ingredients, and then it's very simple. Fresh parsley, Italian, of course. Ricotta, grated Parmigiano Reggiano formaggio, cheese, mozzarella, and some fresh eggs. So I beat up a few eggs and the ricotta. In the ricotta, add the mozzarella, probably about a cup, and some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, probably another cup. I don't measure anything. I just, feel it and taste it. While I'm doing that, I've already prepared the sauce, the marinara, and I'm cooking the stuffed shells. The shells. I'm boiling the shells. And make sure when you boil the shells, you cook them al dente because they're going to cook in the oven some more. When the shells are done and cooled, and the sauce is done, add about 3 cups of sauce to the bottom of a 9x13 pan. Take the shells and stuff them with your ricotta mixture. Place them seam side up in a pan, topped with some mozzarella, and bake them in the oven. And that's it, very simple. So 45 minutes all total, and you'll have a wonderful dinner with some fresh garlic bread and some wine, and you'll be all set. Ciao.